Hi, I'm a butthole. I was born a butthole, and when I grew up, I stayed a butthole, so I work at Tushy. Part of my duties here are to keep the office clean and to make sure that everybody's buttholes stay clean and pristine.
Well, that's a great and very gross point, Tom. Maybe I will get a bidet.
When I saw that Seth Meyers video, I knew that today is my day. I have to go take a big dump on Seth Meyers' 30 Rock doorstep and provide all of the goodies that Tushy has to offer. Do you know what Seth's favorite color is? Does Seth Meyers like pink? Do we have one that's not been used? This is granola. Does Seth like plants? Do you think he needs a new office chair? Can this fit? Where's a good bidet for Seth? He probably has really good chairs, right? He doesn't need it. You don't think he needs a sweater?
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh, sorry. Great. Be gentle with Seth's cargo. I think my shoe's broken. That's not good to find out at a time like this. This is the closest you'll get to a bathroom in the subway as possible. Pardon me, folks, I'm going to see Seth. Hello, how clean is your butthole? Oh, very good. Watch your fingers. Hello.
Yeah.
Do you have clean butts?
Yes, my tushy is clean.
Wonderful. Here he is. Wow. Seth, I hope you love the dump we left for you. I hope that you seize the bidet and spray any fear away. I really hope Seth thinks about me when he poops now.